guys, I'm here with my baby bunny. Oh my gosh, Zoe, the baby. So I had this cute idea for a video to do bunny tongue pink colored lip glosses try on, and of course I had to check to see if it's gonna be the exact color of her cute little bunny tongue. And it is. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get a bunny tongue pink lippy with my special perfect little girl right here in this nice, very fun makeup lip gloss try on video, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. She's so perfect, isn't she? Oh my god, baby. Yeah, anyway, I'm so excited and I can't wait for you guys to join us on this special time. Okay, stay tuned. First, I'm going to start with the Dior Lip Glow in 001 to just give my lips a pink base. So I put that on and it's on now. Okay, so the next is, I haven't opened this yet. I just got it from YesStyle and it's so everything I need it to be. It's the Romance Snow Strawberry Lasting Lip Oil, or actually it's a lasting lip tint. So we're gonna put that on over this to get the bunny tongue. I have hair on my mouth from my bunny, but that is perfect for the theme of the video. Okay. So this is very pink. Okay, so we're starting to get pink. It's cute. I don't know how I'm gonna show it because you're so far away on the So that's a very cool pink. It doesn't have a lot of reds to it. I like that it's a little bluish. It looks cute. Okay, next, baby girl. Okay, so I love Too Cool for School, and this koi pink tint has been what I've been using so much because it's a perfect pure pink, and that's really, really hard to find lately. So I just gonna put that right on top of it. And I know I'm layering this a lot because I didn't feel like taking them off after I put them on because I want it to be, I don't want to waste lip glosses even for the video. Okay, so the next color is Romance Peony Ballet, and this is heaven. This is such a cute, perfect color. If you really want something that looks really innocent pink and natural, very, very soft pink, you want to get this. I think everybody knows about this right now, but I knew about it before. Okay, no, I'm just kidding. But I've had it for a couple years, just saying, before it got popular, and it truly is what everybody says. It's perf. So I don't know if you can really tell what it's doing, because I already have so much on my lips. But it really just is pink. It's a pink girl's pink, a really pink. It's really cute. Looks really good. Yeah. Okay. Now it's weird because I have so many layers on, but I don't want to take them off. Like I said, my rabbit got in my mouth with the hair, and now there's little fine pieces of bunny hair. This video is so chaotic, okay? This whole video, I mean, every video I've ever made is just chaotic sometimes. It's just been a crazy week. I've been doing too much, okay? Doing too much. So this is cute. This is the cutest lippy. So yeah, that is the best lip combo. Okay, so next is a Dasique So next is Dasique's Pink Lemonade, and this is just adorable because of the packaging. I mean, if nothing else, just look at the packaging. And this they just came out with, I think, like last year, but it's like a stain and a lip gloss sort of too. It's like both, and it's just a very true, almost corally pink, so it's got a little bit more warmer undertones. It might be a little cooler on some people. On me, like, literally everything looks warm. I think it's like my skin tone. And yeah, I didn't even line my lips, so I'm sorry if this looks horrible. I just didn't even, you know, it's been a chaotic day, okay? So yeah, so that looks really cute on my lips. And honestly, I can't even put on any more because I'm gonna have like 5 layers of lip gloss on, and it's gonna look weird. But I did have this other one. It is Colorgram, which is Fruity Glass Tint Milk 01. Very amazing. This is really cute. Everybody likes this one too. Like, this is just a really cute, it's like a stain and a lippy. Super, super cute. And then of course, like the Kiko Hydra gloss in 05 is so, this is so cute, but it's a little too lavendery. So I was thinking, like, I don't know if I want to show it with this. And then I got this by Dasique, the Tan Beauty, the Plumping Lip Oil. But I don't want to, like, try this one either because it's brand new and it's also way too fuchsia. But anyway, I just took it just in case we didn't have enough. But that's basically it, guys. This is how you achieve the Bunny Tongue Pink Lippy. It's cute and it's very kawaii. Yeah. And if you like bunnies and you have a bunny, it will match your bunnies. Hey guys, so I have all my lip glosses in here and I'm going to show you Bunny Tongue Pink favorites. Okay, that was not supposed to happen. That was not in the script. Okay, whatever. So anyway,